the top 3. What fingers do I have up right now? Top 3 upper body workouts for cameramen. Top 3 upper body workouts for photographers. You guys, man, it's your boy Taxi in the Lens, man. Welcome back to the channel where our goal is to help you unlock your full potential as a visual artist, man. On the grind to greatness. Let's make it happen, bro. I believe in you. You should believe in you. Let's make it happen. So today, we have the top 3 workouts for photographers, bro. You wear the camera strap all the time and that back be hurting. Why? Because you don't stretch. You be picking up your camera and your fingers be twitching. You know why? Because you don't work your fingers out. Let's make it happen, man. So today we have the top 3 workouts for photographers. These are probably the best that I could say that I feel like will help the most within your photography business to help you be able to shoot for longer period of times per day, as well as more years. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and just hop right into it. Let's get it, man. Alrighty, you guys, for the first workout, we're gonna grab 2 10-pound weights. You wanna keep it fairly light because your camera rig, I'm pretty sure, does not go over 20 pounds or 25 pounds. We're gonna get 2 10 pounds. That's gonna make 20 pounds, all right? And we're gonna get into the first workout. Let's do it. Whew. Here we go. All right, so we have our 10-pound weights right here. We're gonna do some, I don't know what these are called, but I know they work. So you're rolling them out, you're rolling them back in. These palm rolls, we're gonna call them palm rolls. You wanna tuck that thing in right here, nice and good, and palm roll it out, palm roll it in, palm roll it out, palm roll it in. These for y'all that think y'all got arthritis, that when y'all be holding y'all camera up so long, your fingers get to locking up, you gotta work out them fingers, boy. You ain't working out them fingers, boy. Let's work them fingers out, all right? So we're gonna do these for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it tight, don't let it drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, put that thing down. Go ahead and take your little break. We're back at it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop them down. Break. 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 Your break should be no more than 15 seconds because these are 10 pounds. So if you taking more than 15 seconds on 10 pounds, I'm just saying, me personally, you tripping. Back at it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it. Now we're on to the next workout. You can keep your 10 pounds or you can move up. I'm moving up to 15 pounds. This workout is gonna help out your shoulders as well as your upper back. There's gonna be some lateral raises. We're gonna have front raises and we're gonna have side raises. Lateral, 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 lateral. Grab your weights, let's do it. So I have my 15-pound weights. These boys are actually heavier than I thought. I might have to grab them 10s, but I think I'll be okay. Let's do it. So we have the lateral raise. We're going front. Boom. 1, 2. Mine are only angled because my legs are very long. So if I do it straight, I can do it. But if I do it fully sideways, I'm gonna hit my legs, but I'm gonna try. Let's do it. 4, 5. Try to eliminate as much swing as you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did 10 forward, now you have to do 10 to the side. Break. Break. Now we're gonna go to the side. Lateral to the side, you guys, let's make it happen. 1. See, this is 15s, I can't go that high. 8, 9, 10. You're gonna hit 2 more sets of these. Every workout is 3 sets. All right, you guys, now for the third workout. You're gonna grab your weights, you're gonna sit back, come up like you're doing a hammer curl, and you're gonna push straight up. Just like this. For when you're putting the camera above your head, I work at concerts. So when I put the camera above my head for a very long time, this is where I feel most of the pain at. So this is a part that I feel like really important to work out. The closer you have it together, I feel, the better. want to do that for 3 sets as well, you guys. Each one of these workouts are 3 sets. This is the top 3 upper body workouts for photographers. All right, you guys, we have 2 more sets to go. Ten reps each set, so each workout is 3 sets of each workout. 10 reps of each workout. So 3 sets for 10 reps for the 3 workouts. Top 3 upper body workouts for visual artists. Top 3 upper body workouts for cameramen. Top 3 upper body workouts for photographers. And there we have it, you guys. The top 3. What fingers do I have up right now? The top 3. That's 6. The top 3 upper body workouts for photographers. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. I'm cranking them out. I was thinking like, bro, what can I make while in this gym? What workouts, what video ideas, what workouts do I do that help me in photography that I feel that other people need to be doing as well? So I did it. Let me know what you guys want to see. I love you guys. Talk to you guys later, and we're out.